Today we're gonna mix up some pepper, dishwasher liquid, and some water. First, we're gonna take the water. We're gonna put it in there. Now we're gonna take pepper. You can put a lot or less. Now we're gonna take some dishwasher liquid. Put some on our hand. You're gonna leave a little bit on your hand. You're gonna dip it up in there. See? Voila. Now we're gonna try less pepper.
Daddy, make me some tea.
Wash the plate out. Add some more water. Add less pepper. Add less pepper. Take some more dishwasher liquid. We're going to put it up in there. Voila. If you like to put it up, put a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.